Seniors often believe that waking up several times throughout the night to use the bathroom is simply part of aging. Yet the truth is that this frustrating and exhausting pattern does not need to control your nights. There are natural ways to calm the bladder, strengthen the muscles that support it, and bring balance back to the hormones that manage nighttime urine production. You do not need to rely on medication or limit your water intake so heavily that you feel dehydrated the next day. With the right evening foods, your body can finally find the calm and stability it needs to let you sleep through the night. Today, you will discover 3 superfoods that work with your natural rhythms to reduce nighttime urination and restore peaceful, uninterrupted rest. These foods are simple, gentle, and surprisingly effective. Be sure to stay until the end because the third superfood catches many people off guard, and the bonus nighttime routine that follows can significantly improve your results. Our first superfood is a creamy, soothing option that supports digestion, calms the bladder, and strengthens the muscles that help you hold urine through the night. This combination has become a trusted evening remedy for many seniors who struggle with nighttime urgency. The first superfood is Greek yogurt with chia seeds. This mix is more powerful than it looks. Many people think that nighttime urination is caused only by weak bladder muscles or too much fluid. Yet, it is often linked to what you eat before bed and how your digestive system interacts with the bladder. Greek yogurt offers high-quality protein that helps repair muscle tissue, including the muscles that surround and support the bladder. When those muscles are stronger, they can hold urine more comfortably as you sleep. It also contains calcium, which plays a quiet but essential role in signaling the kidneys to regulate urine output. When calcium levels stay steady before bed, your body is less likely to release too much fluid overnight. Greek yogurt also supports the gut with beneficial live bacteria. This may seem unrelated to bladder health, but the gut and bladder share communication pathways through nerves and immune signals. When the gut becomes inflamed or irritated, it can send signals that increase bladder sensitivity. By settling digestion and reducing irritation, Greek yogurt helps quiet these signals and brings more stability to bladder function. It also provides vitamin B12, which supports nerve communication. When nerves are stable and functioning well, the bladder sends clearer messages to the brain, which helps reduce false alarms during the night. The small amount of magnesium in yogurt adds a calming effect as well, making it easier for your muscles to relax into deeper sleep. Chia seeds add another powerful layer of support. Just a small spoonful contains fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and tryptophan. Each of these nutrients provides benefits that directly influence nighttime bladder comfort. Fiber slows digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar throughout the night. When blood sugar rises too quickly, the kidneys often try to flush out the excess, which increases urine production. By keeping things stable, chia seeds help prevent this issue. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in the bladder, making the bladder walls less sensitive to small amounts of urine. Magnesium brings deep muscular relaxation, soothing the bladder muscles and calming restless legs or tension that can wake you up. Tryptophan supports the natural production of serotonin and melatonin, which helps signal the body that it is time to rest. When Greek yogurt and chia seeds are combined, they create a natural evening remedy that soothes digestion, strengthens muscles, and balances fluid levels. This simple bowl brings together nutrients that quiet unnecessary bladder contractions, support smooth kidney signals, and guide the body into deeper rest. To use it effectively, take half a cup of plain unsweetened Greek yogurt with 1 teaspoon of soaked chia seeds about 1 hour before bed. This timing allows your system to process the nutrients without becoming overstimulated. A small drizzle of raw honey is fine for those without blood sugar issues, but avoid flavored yogurts which often contain additives that irritate the bladder. You can also add a few crushed almonds and a small pinch of cinnamon for extra nighttime support. Store Greek yogurt in the coldest part of your refrigerator and use it within 3 days of opening. Keep chia seeds in a closed glass jar away from heat to protect their healthy oils. Avoid adding citrus fruits to this evening bowl, since their natural acids can irritate the bladder. Our second superfood is vibrant, rich in natural plant compounds and known to improve circulation, relax smooth muscles, and support kidney function. This superfood is Beetroot Smoothie. Beetroot helps naturally widen blood vessels through compounds that convert into nitric oxide inside the body. When blood vessels widen, the bladder wall muscles relax and the kidneys receive better oxygen flow. This smooth and steady circulation helps the bladder hold urine more comfortably and reduces the pressure that leads to nighttime urgency. Beetroot provides folate, magnesium, and fiber, which together support bladder stability and digestive balance. Magnesium calms the muscles that control urine release, while fiber prevents bloating that can press on the bladder. The deep red pigment in beetroot acts as a strong antioxidant, reducing stress on kidney tissue and helping the body filter fluids evenly through the night. This prevents sudden spikes in urine production after you lie down. Timing is important when using beetroot for nighttime comfort. It is best to drink a small beetroot smoothie 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. This allows your kidneys to receive the benefits of nitric oxide without causing an early urge to urinate. Half a cup is plenty, as beetroot is nutrient-dense. Blend steamed beetroot with unsweetened almond milk and a small piece of apple or carrot for natural sweetness. Avoid pickled beets, since added sodium and vinegar can irritate the bladder. If you take blood pressure medication, introduce beetroot slowly, since its natural nitrates may enhance their effects. Some people feel energized after drinking beetroot, while others feel calmer. This depends on how your body responds to improved circulation. Either effect is normal. For many seniors, integrating beetroot 2 or 3 times a week provides noticeable improvement in nighttime rest within a few weeks. The third superfood has a softer taste but a powerful effect on sleep hormones, bladder relaxation, and fluid control. This superfood mix is Tart, cherries, and almonds. Tart cherries naturally contain melatonin, which helps the brain regulate sleep cycles. Stable melatonin levels encourage the bladder to remain calm through the night and prevent unnecessary contractions. The deep color of tart cherries comes from anthocyanins, which support the bladder lining by reducing inflammation that builds up with age. These nutrients help the body create a stronger internal rhythm, leading to fewer awakenings. Almonds offer magnesium, tryptophan, and healthy fats, which help relax muscles and support melatonin production. When almonds and cherries are eaten together, they create a powerful synergy. Almonds supply what the body needs to produce melatonin, while cherries supply melatonin directly. This combination helps regulate vasopressin, which is the hormone responsible for reducing urine production at night. When vasopressin functions well, your kidneys naturally slow urine creation as you sleep. This allows you to rest longer without disruption. To use this mix effectively, take 1/4 cup of tart cherries, either fresh or frozen, along with 6 to 8 unsalted almonds about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Avoid canned cherries because added sugars can irritate the bladder. Avoid roasted or salted almonds and stick with raw ones for best results. Store cherries in the refrigerator and keep almonds in a sealed container. If you prefer a softer texture, warm the mix slightly with a teaspoon of oat milk and a sprinkle of cinnamon or turmeric. Both spices support circulation and help relax the body even further. Now that you know your 3-night time superfoods, it is important to support them with a simple movement routine that prevents fluid from pooling in the legs during the day. This routine is essential because when you lie down, fluid shifts toward the bladder, increasing nighttime urine production. Start by elevating your legs for 10 minutes. Follow with gentle pelvic tilts and slow knee to chest stretches. Finish with deep breathing. This routine performed 45 minutes before bed helps redistribute fluid, strengthen the pelvic area, and prepare the bladder for a calmer night. With consistent use, these 3 superfoods and a gentle movement routine create a powerful nightly system that reduces nighttime urination, brings hormonal balance, improves muscle support, and strengthens the kidneys and bladder naturally. Greek yogurt with chia seeds supports the gut-bladder communication pathways. Beetroot smoothie improves circulation and relaxation. Tart cherries with almonds stabilize sleep hormones and reduce bladder sensitivity. Together, they help restore long, peaceful, uninterrupted nights.